Hi, welcome to Sumith Gasiganti channel. Today I am explaining class 6 string methods in Python programming. In previous sections we have also discussed some of the calculation in Python and also strings, working with strings and conditional statements and data types in Pythons. Okay, now we are discussing about string methods. It's very important topic in Python. Please follow each class and keep writing notes on it from class 1 to class 24. Okay, in this class I'm discussing about string methods. So for explanation purpose I already written some of the name, what is the name and what is the syntax, means rule, and also what is the usage of this syntax. I have written in this way: string methods. So first, is digit. See, is digit is a syntax is str dot is digit of. What is this usage? Means give true if all the means characters are digits, otherwise or else false. Okay, this is the usage of str dot is digit value. Means in a program, if your value is a digit or not, by using this syntax we have to know. Okay, later the deep explanation part will be when we doing the programming part in practice. In that way also you have to know the better understanding of this concept, but this is very important in interview point. Also the theoretical part, it's very important to cover this topic. And also next one is a strip, and the syntax is str dot strip off, and the usage also removing all the leading and trailing spaces from a string. So it can remove all the spaces in the string. In the string, all the spaces will be removed by the strip syntax method. Okay, next, strip off with separator strip str dot strip of separator. In the sense, we can also use specific separator, means string that needs to be removed. Specific separator we have to use that needs to be removed. So we are using this strip off with separator syntax in Python. Okay, next coming to replace, also we are using this type of string method also is there. Replace off means replace of the syntax is str dot replace old comma new in the sense giving a new strings after replacing all occurrence of the old substrings with the new substrings. So replacing old with new one, we are using this replace off method. The syntax is str dot replace off. Okay, next coming to next method, start with off method. Syntax is str, here this is a camel method. We are using str down slash var variable. In the sense, we have to take var dot start with of value, means this syntax is used as gives true if the string start with the specified value. If the string start with the specified value, it gives true, otherwise it gives false, else false it will give. This is about start with. Next, ends with off is a syntax is str dot end with off value of the same value is the same, but in this end gives value. In this end gives true if the string ends with the specified value, otherwise false. This is about ends with. Next coming to upper of syntax str dot upper of What is the uses of the syntax is means it gives true if the string by convert each character of the given string to uppercase. If the string is, if the given input is upper, then only it's give the true value, otherwise it gives false value. So what is the upper letters in a statement, we have to using by, we have to know by this syntax. Okay, also upper we have also lower of str dot lowr of lower of, this will be the syntax, and the usage will be it gives a new string by converting each character of the given string to lowercase. Please write down these notes, is very useful for you to know the string methods and the usages and the syntax. Next is split off, str dot split off. Split off means the split off method splits a string into a list. The split method will be used. List, what is list, what is a, what is tuple, this all will be discussed in the further sessions. So in this string method you have to know the definition and the syntax of the what is the syntax, what is the name and syntax, and the syntax usage you should must to know. So this basics part you should know, the advanced level part will be easy for you to understand. Please write down the notes from class 1 to class 24. Now I am completed class 5, this is class 6, so write notes. So what is split off, str dot split off, this the usage is the split, the method split a string into a list. Next coming to split off with separator, str, syntax is str split off with separator. In this separator comma maximum split, we also using, what is the uses of this means specify the separator to use when splitting the strip by default any white spaces a separator. It can specify the separator to use when you are splitting the strip by default any white spaces a separator. This can be used in this way, this syntax will be used. Next coming to this syntax will be used. Next coming to join off, str join off iterable, repeating value iterable. So what is the use of this syntax is the join off method takes all items in an iterable and joins them into one string. So two strings will be joined by this join off method. Okay, join off, the syntax will be str dot join off. What is the use of the join off method takes all the items in an iterable and joins item them into one string. This is about the join off method, join off string methods. Okay, next coming to some of the important topics also discussing in this session is string formatting and add placeholders. What is add placeholders, I will be explaining now. Please listen carefully, the concept is very important to understand you better. Okay, next numbering placeholder, also naming placeholder. So coming to this string, coming to this string formatting specify the concatenation in it increases the reliability of code and top of conversion is not required. Okay, this is about string formatting. What is string formatting? String formatting shortcut I am writing here. String formatting simplifies the concatenation. Okay, it increases symbol I am writing this like increases the readability of code and type conversion is not required. Okay, this is about the string formatting. What is this place add placeholder, number placeholder, and naming placeholder? I am explaining with an example. You can better understanding of this concept. Okay, coming to this add placeholder. Add placeholder in the means add placeholders. Add placeholder means this flower bracket closing both sides. This is the symbol of add placeholders. This placeholder where the string needs to be formatted. Where the string we have to do the format, this placeholder should be used. Needs to be formatted. See here example I am taking. Next I will be explained what is about the numbering placeholder. Of definition also. Next are also name placeholders. Okay, before going to it, here I am writing an example to better understanding of the concept. Add string needs to be formatted and also the numbering placeholder. See here we writing common example of it. I have taken name Nani. I have taken. Next age. When we giving input, name as taking input. For input purpose you have what we have taken input, input of input. Name is a class I am assigning input. In input I am taking Nani. Okay, example I am telling. Next I am taking one integer value int input of. In this way we have to take input of by taking integer. Here I am taking 20. So input I am taking what? Input I am taking Nani and age I am taking 20. I want message. Which type of message? According to add placeholder I am writing. See, hi, I am using strings here. I am using string here, starting string. Hi, bracket, placeholder. You are, again I am using bracket. Year old. Okay, when I am used to print this, print I want this message dot, I am using this format. C format the message should be formatted in which, like I need name, see input of, and also age, brackets closing. See, the output should be, what will be the output? Hi Nani, you are 20 years old. This will be the output. In this way add placeholders are to be added. Add placeholder to be added to get a specified output. This is about add placeholder. Coming to numbering placeholder. Numbering placeholder in the sense, numbering placeholder will be value according to the positions of argument. Numbering placeholder means will fill values according to the position of argument. position of arguments. This numbering placeholder will fill values according to the position of arguments. Like I am taking this example only. Name I am taking input of Nani. Age I am taking integer, so I am using int input of. This will be in string form. We are converting into integer form. So we are using like this. So we are using like this. Okay, will be the means 20 given message. Here you see numbering placeholder means will fill values according to the positions of arguments. So I am writing here 1. I am writing here 1. I am giving 1. Here 0. I am giving numbering here. Okay, see 1 in the sense, first what we have Nani is there, second what we have 20 is there. So the what will be the output? Anyone guess? The output should be, see, hi 10, you are Nani years old. Output should be in this line. How it will be means here taking first has a first one has a 0, and second input as taking as a position 1. Okay, here in this way first one is taking as a 0th index Nani and second one is taking 20. So when we placing these numberings in this message format, hi 1, you are 0, hi 1 place what is there 20, so hi 20, you are Nani place what is there 0 is there, so Nani years old. This will be the outputs. This is the example of numbering placeholder. So this is next coming to last one is naming placeholder. Naming placeholder is also important to know for better understanding. Naming placeholder will fill value according to the keywords argument. Okay, it is also same. It is also what will be give naming placeholder will fill. It is also will fill values according to the keyword arguments. This is about the naming placeholders. See, in naming placeholders only, in previous I am writing numbers, now I am naming. I want here name. I am taking it erase and in bracket I am writing name. Okay, I am erasing 0, in bracket I am writing age. This is I am naming age name. So what will be the output? Anyone guess? So the output should be, when I am using the print message dot format name and age, the output should be what? Hi Nani you are 10 years old. The output should be same. This one same only. Okay, so here by taking same program, same example only, I am explaining 3 concepts: add placeholder, numbering placeholder, naming placeholder. In this way string methods will be used. So this is about string methods. So in this class we are discussing about is digit, strip with separator, replace, start with, end with, upper syntax and usages, lower split off with separator, join off. And in this class also we are discussing about the string formatting, add placeholder, numbering placeholder, naming placeholder, and the definition part I have also written. Please write these notes will better understanding of the concept. I am also one program also I will explaining about the definition, and the practical parts are also explained in this class. So this is about the string methods of class 6. Please follow my class, further classes, it will be more interesting. Because Python is very important language, everyone need to know about it. And because in JavaScript and any other C++ Java, the code will be lengthy to get a desired output. But this Python language is very have few steps to get an output. So everyone should know the Python language A to Z. This concepts is very important. This will be helpful for your interview process, and all should know the Python, what is Python, what is syntaxes, what are the important topics are there. This all should be know to upgrade your skills. These skills will be helpful for you in further your future. So please follow my channel and subscribe my channel, support me. I will upload further interesting topics, and also cover A to Z topics in Python. And thank you everyone, and follow my classes, and thank you.